Hi guys. so so hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so today I'm eating bananas because on April 24th I got a doctor's appointment and they got to take out blood and my weight. So I'm trying to and I'm swimming and that's next week and today is Wednesday and it is about to be next week and I don't really have time for that. Well, let's go. Something else. My phone is something else. So, and we got 12% of something is. What's the way? God. Okay, so I'm having a day like it is awful weird, but I'm letting you know something like that. But I saw that I could just eat a snack because I mean, but not check the thing how to look at. So this is part one. I'm gonna do a part two, okay?